guys, Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another interesting episode, or should I say lesson, on creating detailing in Revit. Okay, in the last class, we stopped somewhere here. We have something like this. Okay, we have our block, we have our foundation footing, our block, our foundation block work. Here, I forgot about this. There is a time beam here. I forgot about it, but I kind of edit this place and I increase the wall up. Okay, and we have our lintel level beams. All right, this is our second floor. We stopped somewhere here. Now today we're going to create this beam here, create the coursework over this place, create our floors, and hopefully put some doors and windows. Let's try and finish our model. Okay, now let's go to here, right here, substructure. This is substructure. I want to have some columns over this place. In order to have it correctly, I will have to go to my superstructure, because if I select this level, which is this level, if I select this level in between, it's not going to give me what I want. Okay, which is superstructure, but I will have to select this one, which is floor level. Okay, so it's floor level. I am to select the hanging. It hangs from the top to the bottom, not from the bottom to the top. I don't know if you understand. Like the other one we did, I end up choosing lintel level, but my beam ended up going into the wall instead of going on top of the lintel level. Okay, so I'm going to choose floor level, which is this one. Show the name. You see, floor level 1. And hide it again. Now let's go to floor level 1 here. Okay, put it at the wireframe to see everything clearly. This is our floor. Now I would like to create another beam. So you go to structural tab, beam, and now it's asking me to select plane. Okay, by name I need floor level 1 and select on enter. Good. So I have two beams. The other one is 300, which is this one, and the other one is 200. So I'm going to use this one. Now select from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, and then change our beam to this one because I have a 300 mm wall to this place. Okay, it's telling me I can't see what I've created, all that. For me to see it, I will have to change the view range. Okay, so you see, this is what I mean, but I kind of have a bit of a problem. What's the problem? The problem is this is 200 mm height, but this here is 300 millimeters. Okay, so for me to change that, all I have to do is edit my settings. This is the big one. Now duplicate again, change this height from 200 to 300, and then click on OK. You see, I have this thing corrected. Good. So this one, I did not change it to 300 mm wall. Now I have it correctly. Okay, so now I should select the rest of them, and I have another one here, and I have another one inside. How do I get it? Okay, I can see it right here. This one, yeah, I think it should be this one. Yeah, it's the one. So go to edit, duplicate also. Alright, and now change this one to 300 and click on OK. See, I have my tie-in beam correctly on my, you can see I have it correctly sitting on my foundation wall. Now let's have our coursework here, a block work of about very small height. Let's go to our south elevation to check. So you see from here, this is my lintel level, this is the end of my lintel, this is the beginning of the coursework to this place, which is about 800 mm. Okay, so now I'm going to, let's see, what's the name, coursework. Okay, so now go to this coursework, double tap on it, and now wireframe, I can see my view range. So all I have to do is start from the substructure all the way down and then apply. Now I can see my building below. Go back to architectural tab, select on wall, select a 250 mm wall. Okay, now let's have, let me change the wall height to, sorry, to 0, base offset 0. Okay, and coursework. Okay, now let's see 800, hit and enter. Okay, I think now I have it correctly. Let's start selecting it from this place. Oopsie, sorry. Okay, it's correct. From this place all the way to this place, followed by here, now here, and now here. So press on escape. Now let's select 300 mm with the same measurements and everything. Okay, and now take it all the way to this last guy here. That's it. Now let's check our drawing in 3D. Okay, very nice. You see we have our wall, our coursework over this is seated correctly. Okay, now let me create a flow to make this thing look good. Let's create flow. My flow level starts from level 2, sorry. I'll go to flow level. Okay, I'm sorry. Now select wireframe for me to see everything and go to flow, open it up from here all the way to this end, and I want this piece all the way to about this distance. And line, no, it's not supposed to be, it's supposed to align to this guy. Okay, yes, so delete this one. Now split. Okay, select a line. Let's split it. I was thinking if I should okay, I'm sorry. Now let me change this to edit, duplicate. I want a 300 mm flow. Okay, 300. I'm pressing enter and you done. Okay, I finish it up. Let's see our flow. Go to 3D. Now here is our flow. So you can see this is our flow. But let me go to south elevation to see if it is seated where it should be or not. Okay, it's seated where it should be. You can see it's seated where it should be. Perfect and wonderful. Some instances line this and this to this also. I'll finish it up. Okay, this is what I was thinking of, but I kind of prefer to put a what's the name, a flow here. So I don't know, I think I will do that. Let me edit this flow and let's go to top elevation. Okay, so pick line. I want to pick this, please. Good. And connect ends. Good. On this end, trim it and trim this end too, and finish up the drawing. Okay, let me show you what I did in 3D. You see what I meant by that? This is what I mean. You see, now I have something very reasonable, something I can say it's okay. Alright, we have something like this. Now I want another flow on the ground floor, which is level, sorry, not lintel level, which is floor level 1, and wireframe. I would like to see this substructure. Perfect. Now what do? I want to have a flow to about this distance. Okay, so now let's go to flow, rectangular flow. To make this correct, the reason I'm doing this is because I have, okay, it's not supposed to be this way, but let me just do it this way. And the reason is I have, okay, align. I have foundation details. So if I say I'm going to ignore my foundation details, I end up overlapping my flow to my what's the name, to my walls, which is not proper. Okay, and another one. Okay, delete this one. Let me just delete the other one too. Let me make another line that connects to this place, and now trim corner to extend. Good. I have something like this. That's perfect. And let's finish it up. Okay, now you have something like this. So I don't know if the flow is situated correctly. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is situated correctly. Go to my south elevation and let's see. This is my flow is situated correctly in its position. Perfect. Nice. Okay, that's nice. And what do I do next? Next thing is here. I don't intend to put wall here. Seriously, I want to put a, what's the name, a railing here to close out this boundary. Okay, I want this place to be an open place. So now I am not putting any lintel on the top. Any lintel, I think I should put a lintel. It's proper if I have a lintel. It's proper if I have a lintel before having the roof, but I can have a column embedded inside the floor, outside the flat roof I want to create, which is as the same thing as that of the lintel. So let me just have my floor again, either floor or roof, depending on what you want. I kind of prefer lintel too. I kind of prefer floor because if you want to create future development over your roof, it's possible to have that. So now this is that. I want to create a roof. this is not the wall, this is the wall lintel level. Okay, this one is much more better. All right, so now flow. So this time around I'm going to hover over all of this all the way to this place, I guess. I don't know, I'm going to edit it later because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and let's check it out. Okay, it's not situated where it should be. Now this flow, go to my south elevation and move it all the way to the last place, and that's perfect. Okay, we have something like this. All right, so we're going to stop here for this video so that this video should not get too long. We're going to stop here for the video. In the next class we're going to try as much to finish up our building and then start putting reinforcement in the preceding video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Let's see same time tomorrow for another interesting video. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe and share this video if the video is helpful to you. Bye for now. Thank you.